going to cut this apple tree, trim it up. I should have done it last month, but I was traveling. Typically in this area, anywhere from late February to early April is okay. You want to try to do it before it's budding out, and it is just starting to bud out, but I still need to trim it. Now, really what we want to do is cut off all of those branches that are just going straight up. So let's get back here. Okay, let's see if I can.
I want to watch it. It looks like a show.
Yeah, let's see here. See if I can get this one cut with this thing. Woo! There! Yay! First one. Okay, let's show them. And we could probably graft that and start a new tree. We'll put it in. So by pulling this, it slices. You see that right there? Don't put your finger in there. And then this is the saw. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Hey, let's keep all of those branches. We're gonna put it in to some IBAK, indole butyric acid, which is a plant hormone in the auxin group, and it causes cell elongation, so it's great for rooting. So I have some really strong powder from Power Grown. Yes, so save all those branches because we're gonna try and grow as many apple trees as we can from this. And really, we're trying to limit the upward growth and really focus on lateral growth.
My tree staff.
Yep, so don't break it.
This is my apple staff.
Your apple staff, I like
apple
it.
tree staff. And it will grow, and everyone can pick my apples from my staff.
I've been working on the railroad on the past.
Are you going to cut the big?
Yeah, I'm going to cut this big branch.
And
we're going to try and root that to become a tree too. Although a lot of times these are grafted. I'm not sure if this tree is with different rootstock. Okay.
This keeps telling you.
Woo! Okay.
Just keep telling you.
Look at, we got this big one.
Hey, I need to hold my other root staff.
Okay, and you don't want to cut off more than 30% of the biomass. Here, take this one.
Oh, I don't know if put my phone down.
Okay, I'll just set it back here. We're gonna get this tree nice and clean.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
I put my foot down here. I do like sawdust. So have it root staff.
Woo! Awesome.
This one is heavy. I don't know.
Okay, will you take this one for me?
I got two.
We got 3 now. Let's see, where else do we want to cut? We want to cut these other ones that are just shooting up. By pruning your apple trees before it blooms, you're ensuring that your tree isn't wasting any energy putting it into branches that aren't going to fruit. This is really essential every year to just make sure that your tree is growing where you want it and maximizing your yield. You're going to also prune again after the fruit has set, but this time you're just pruning and removing fruit. To try and root some of these branches that I cut off and see if I can't grow my own apple trees. We'll see. Check back in. Watch a video on IBAK to learn about how you can make your own cloning rooting gel powder for a fraction of the dollar of what you would in the store. Powergrown.com. Check that video.